Hello students, in this video I would like to talk about one important problem every student faces while preparing for GATE. How to write GATE and how to prepare for GATE and how to be successful, right? So in last and past 30 days I have been talking to many students and I have gathered their experiences, and finally I realized there are three important reasons why a student fail. One is discipline. Second one, that means lack of discipline. The second one, lack of problem solving strategies. The third one is lack of enough experiences regarding the preparation. So I will tell you one by one why they are important. So one is lack of discipline, because see, if you don't plan your preparation, if no one is taking care of your preparation except you, then what can happen is, like, you procrastinate the things, you postpone unconditionally every day. Like, you may think that tomorrow onwards I will prepare very hard, and you keep on doing the same thing, you postpone it to tomorrow every day. Then what happens? Eventually September or October comes, and then the real frustration begins. Second thing, so because you have 10 subjects and you don't know how much time a topic consumes, then because of that probably, you may spend lot of time on a particular topic. Example, if you begin with computer organization and you struck at pipelining, then what happens? Maybe you spend 1 month, 2 months, because you want to understand it in a deep fashion. Then in that process, maybe when you are involved, then you forget all the deadlines and all. So that's the reason I can say the discipline is important, and proper schedule is important. So that's why this year we come up with one solution, that is GATEBOOK test series, which is beginning from May month. So we are going to plan out your schedule. Seriously, if you follow this schedule, then definitely, so you will always complete your portion in on time. Second thing, sir, what if I procrastinate here also? What if I postpone here? So that's why for that, we have got an idea, that is, like, we were proposing, cash awards, cash prizes. So whoever writes an exam and gets into top 10, then they get a 500 rupees cash. Now you see, as a student, definitely, this is tempting, right? So whenever you write an exam and you are getting 500 rupees, imagine, then if you write such 10 exams, then you earn 5,000. That motivates you. See, this entire thing is to motivate you, because we are not getting any other idea. If you have any other ideas, let us know. But at this moment we have come up with this idea, so that every student will have some interest now, and they will start writing. So that motivates them to follow the schedule. Now you try to violate the schedule, what happens? Then you cannot write this exam properly and you don't get these 500 rupees. So that definitely every day it motivates you to prepare and engaged in the preparation. That is one thing we realized, that is lack of discipline, and this is solution. Now our test series begins from May 10th onwards, and it will continue till Feb exam. The second one is lack of problem solving skills. Many students who prepare for GATE, they do not have this problem solving skills. Then again we have a solution for that. What you do is, after each exam, so we allow you to do the discussion. So for every question we give the answer. On that day you go through that answer, and that answers are prepared by our mentors, and I'm proud to say that our mentors are very good at problem solving skills. One of the mentors got All India rank 1 in 2010 paper, and another mentor got All India rank 5. So their experiences definitely helps you, and you learn problem solving skills from them by reading their answers and asking questions related to your doubts. The last but not least one, lack of experiences. In past 10 years I have seen many students who cracked GATE with top 100 ranks. They have wonderful experiences, they solved thousands of problems. So what I realized is, when you solve a problem, it creates an experience in your brain. That means it remembers information related to this problem, how to solve it and what kind of problem it is. Somehow it categorizes it. Then when you solve thousands of problems, I assume that at least you solve 10,000 problems in throughout the year. Then what happens automatically? So wonderful experiences will be created. And the main important hurdle in GATE exam is, like, you have to solve in 3 to 4 minutes, right, each question. So if you don't have this information or experiences, then it is very difficult to solve a problem in 3 to 4 minutes, because you have to understand that problem quickly, right? So if you have these experiences, then when your new problem, if you see in a GATE exam, then somehow your brain will map it to experiences quickly and it will come up with a solution. What if there is no corresponding experience already in your brain? Then you have to create a new experience there in the exam. It takes 7-8 minutes. So we have to avoid that. So that's why I say just create hundreds and thousands of experiences in your brain before you go to exam. So again, our test series helps you. So our mentors, already I told you that they are rankers, right? So they have very good problem solving skills, and they have very good experiences. So they are creating questions. Then if you solve them, then I believe that that creates wonderful experiences in your brain. Then definitely you will be successful. Then my suggestion is, please join this Gatebook test series as soon as possible, and I will ensure that you will be in top 100. Best of luck.